Today we're trying out a brand new home cooking meal kit from Martha and Marley Spoon, Cooking Redesigned. So we just got our first box today, so let's open it up and figure out what's inside. Right. Well, this is nice. We've got the recipes are right up here in front, so clearly marked so we can see what we're getting. So this week we're going to get warm pesto tortellini salad, lemon Dijon chicken, and kimchi spiced pork burgers. Yum, I love kimchi. Right, so let's open it up. And it looks like it's all nicely snuggled into this insulated paper package, which is great. And, oh, this is great. What they've done is they've put everything in a little bag so you can see exactly what the recipe is. And it looks like most of the stuff is right here in this fully recyclable, compostable, and biodegradable paper bag. So this is Martha and Marley Spoon is really big on sustainability, so that's nice to see. What's kind of interesting that I noticed right away is that it says pesto ravioli here and it says tortellini here. So I wonder what kind of pasta we're really going to find in this box. All right, so let's do that. So we've got that bag, match it up here. And then we've got the kimchi spiced pork burgers with crunchy cabbage slaw over here. And the third and final bag is lemon Dijon chicken with rice and roasted zucchini. The bag's a little wet. It's got a hole in it, but it looks okay. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Ooh, cool stuff below. Please unpack and refrigerate. A nice little divider there. And here's the big ice pack. This is kind of the same thing everyone uses. I've seen a lot of those ice packs. All right, so let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like they have a package of tortellini, so I guess that answers my question. We're going to have tortellini, not ravioli. And then we've got land and sky ground pork. This is kind of, I mean, it's fine, but it would be nice if they put it in like a separate plastic bag because that's kind of gross. And we've had it other packages where sometimes they come open and they start to leak and it can get kind of messy. Then we've got another boneless, skinless chicken breast from the same Land and Sky. Same issue, although you know it looks totally fine right now. And oh, there's some extra stuff in here too. There is a garlic. We don't have enough garlics. Looks like they've already prepared the coleslaw for us in a nice little bag. That'll make it really easy to prep. Goes over here. Oh, and this is hilarious. We have one little tiny butter. It's kind of, could have got lost in there, so I'm glad we spotted it. And then there is another ice pack at the bottom. So this is a really nice, it looks like all paper. It looks like we can just pull this thing out and throw it right in the recycling bin. So that's great, and it's a nice box. So here we go. Just one last thing before we go. Why don't we open up one of these other bags and take a peek inside. So here's the ravioli bag. So, yeah, this is nice. Everything's packaged. So here's some arugula, almonds. Nice little bag here. That's another big garlic. It looks like a specialty garlic, maybe. Oh, look at the cute little tomatoes. All nice and safe. Got a little bottle of golden balsamic vinegar, a Parmesan, and an already prepared pesto sauce, so that should be really easy to make. Great. Well, we're really looking forward to trying out Martha and Marley Spoon. We've got 3 meals here for the next few days, and looks like it should be fun.
All right, thank you very much. This is Mark and Valerie for At My Home.